Alright, welcome back. In this video series, we're looking at how to create a line graph on an Excel. In our previous video, we saw how to create a pie chart. We saw column bars, which is bar chart. Now, but this focus on this video will be on line graph. For example, data before us is a physics experiment that was carried out against current with volts. Now, the voltage reading, you can see we have two voltage reading. So we want to cross voltage 1 against current as well as voltage 2 against current. So what we're going to do first is to highlight the data we want to plot on a line graph. So having done that, you come to your insert. Like I said earlier, most times when you don't know a kind of graph to use, recommended charts which suggest to you. So let's use this for that. Although here we have the line graph here, but let's just use the recommended chart to see samples we have. So we have the bar, the column bar there. We also have the line chart right here. So we select on this, which is what we actually need. So click OK. Wow. So you can see we have plotted the voltage 1 against current as well as voltage 2 against current. Now, as we all know, we can modify our chart, edit it through the chart style, change of color, and also through the chart element. Alright, let's go. Let's start with the chart style. Let's change the style. So hover your mouse over the what we have plotted. You could make a choice. So anyone that suits your goal, you can also decide to go with that. So let's keep moving. So we'll see anyone that suits our purpose. So let's say select this. Now you can also change the color. You can move your cursor around to change the color of your chart depending on your need. Then the next thing, come to chart element. From chart element, you can see axis. So we can add axis, which is not. So once we check this axis, it shows us what we want. So click on the axis. So the down part here is the voltage. While this one is the current. That's that. The chart title can be edited, but if you don't want, you can delete it if you don't intend to have the chart title within you. Also, we could see the data labels. If you want the values to show on all the points, to use data labels, it will display for you. If you want the chart title to come back, you check the chart title. If you want the table which we use in plotting the graph, this table here to be alongside with your plots, come and click data table. It will be under. If you don't want it to be, uncheck it, it will go. So the legend we have is above our table. You can choose to bring the legend on the right side, or the left side, or the bottom of the table. How your design should be. So having made your choices, so you have to lift up your chart from here to your report. So double click on it. I click on it, copy, open your document where you're typing your report. Then you I click to paste. So you could see we have pasted it. So that's how to create a line graph on Excel. Thank you for viewing. Do not forget to give our video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.